by Wee Blessings. If you don't know what that is, it costs $8 to ship it to you. It's not really a styling fee. And then it's free to ship it back. And everything is 40 to 60% off. And it's all like brand names you've heard of. Like Charter Club and that kind of stuff. That's really crammed in here. Here's the return envelope. See, here it is. Checkout form. Alrighty, let's see what we have. White pants. Kind of a long time of year for white pants. Although I don't have any anymore, so maybe. Style & Co. white skinny leg pants, size 18. Retail price $59.50. Price to me is, oh, they've got like little things on the side. $30 is what these are. Here's some black pants. Style & Co. 18, $49.50. My price $25. Wow, that's pretty cheap. Oh, these are pretty. Got like flowers on the bottom. So $25 for lacy bottom pants is pretty cheap. Ooh, this is super soft. Charter Club. $89.50 is the retail price. My price would be $40. These are super soft. Well, I love this color. I think this color looks really good on me. Karen Scott. Pacific Blue light sweater, petite extra large. That may not fit. $44.50. Mine cost $23. Oh, it says 1X. That's not the same as extra large. Love this color. Ooh, polka dots. Charter Club black and white polka dot sweater, woman's extra large, $69.50. My cost $35. It seems like it's really long. It's a 1X, but it looks like a dress almost. They're not calling it a dress, but it looks like it would be a dress almost. And last but not least, Style & Company blue white tie-dye, $56.50. My cost $26. Oh, it's kind of tie-dye, but it's also ombre. That's kind of cute. I don't feel very good, so I'm not sure if I'm going to try these on. Went to the doctor and she's like, yeah, you've been doing too much too soon. When you get out of the hospital, you're supposed to take it more easy and eat like soups and stuff like that. And I was having zebra and, you know, too heavy of food, so that's why I don't feel good again today, I think. Alrighty, well, let's try some of these on. Here's the polka dots. Super soft. I don't know if you can see this, there's like lace on here and then down at the ankle. These fit pretty good. There's this blue one. It's 3/4 sleeves, which I don't really care for. I love the color, but it's a little clingy. I don't know. I think it's a little too clingy. This one's way too tight. Tight on the tummy, tight on the chest. It's pretty, but it doesn't fit right. Here's the last outfit. These pants have like little little dots, grommets, whatever. Kind of like this one. It's a little clingy on the tummy, but my tummy's a little bloated right now. So, what do you think? Alrighty, this is black pants with the lace on it. On the left side it's on the top of the thigh, and on the right side it's at the ankle. And they are Style & Co. Black Rinse Curvy Skinny Pant. Original price is $49.50. These are only $25. Ooh, that's cheap for a nice pair of jeans. These have these little grommet thingies on them. They're kind of a summer pant, but they're only, let's see, how much are they? Style & Company white skinny leg pant, $59.50. Those are only $30. So get both pair of pants for $55, which is way cheaper than what I would pay it at Stitch Fix for one pair. Kind of like this one. This is Karen Scott Pacific Blue lightweight sweater. Originally $44.50, $23. This is a nice heavy sweater. Black and white polka dots. $69.50, $35. I love this color, but oh, the tie-dye one, it's $26. I looked at the wrong one. This one is $23. I love the color on me, but it just doesn't, fits a little too small. This one fits a lot too small. Gray blue floral, $89.50, $40. No. So, I'm thinking about the polka dot one, this one, and the white and the black pants. Let's see. That would be, let's see, 55. 35 would be, let's see, $60, $90 plus the tie-dye one is, so it'd be $116 for two pairs of pants and the polka dot sweater and the tie-dye sweater. So that's pretty cheap. So let me know what you think. It's free to ship it back. If you, I'm going to put a link below. I think it's the way it works is if I get if I get 5 people, I get a $50 credit, but they don't get anything, which seems kind of odd to me. But I think I've got a couple people that have signed up, and with my link. So I think you have to get a total of 5 before you get that $50 credit. These are my PJs, in case you're wondering, because I'm not really still feeling 100%. So I wanted to get this done, but then I'm gonna go lay around in bed and do nothing. Somewhere in here I buried the where it is, the little clicker thingy. I found it. I had lost it, and I found it again, and I lost it again, but here it is. So this is Wheat Blessings, $8 shipping to you, free shipping back. Everything's 40 to 60% off. So if you're interested in giving it a try, it's nice stuff. I recognize most of these brands come from Macy's, but they have other places they get them too. But this particular bag mostly all comes from Macy's. So let me know what you think, and if this is something you enjoy, unboxings, please subscribe. I'm almost at 300. When I get to 300, we'll have a big giveaway. I think I need 13 more to get to 300. So hope you all are having a good week. What is today? Oh, it's only Monday. kind of lost track. Tomorrow I get to go get my Botox shots. Fun. But then I'll probably just try and chill. I went to see my doctor, and she's like, "You're doing way too much. You're not eating mild enough. You need to eat like really mild stuff like soups and things, and you're doing too much," because I did cooked dinner and I did laundry for 2 days straight and all that. And she's like, "You just need to lay around and do nothing and eat like stuff like oatmeal, scrambled eggs, crackers, stuff like that. Just really mild stuff." So since I've started regressing, I'm gonna go back to what I'm supposed to be doing so I don't regress too much. So I hope you all have a good week. I'm filming this on Monday, but I'm gonna put it up on Tuesday because today's Mask Monday, so I'm gonna put this up on Tuesday.